How's it going, everyone? Today is November 5th, 2019, and this is Thriving Bulls Trade of the Day. Hello, good morning or afternoon, wherever you guys are coming from. This is Thriving Bulls Trade of the Day. We are looking at the EURUSD for a buy here. We are going off of the deviation levels that we offer here with Thriving Bull. Let's see here. We are going to be looking for around this area, kind of in the money contract here at 1066. See what we can get on NADEX here for roughly the 54 minutes that we have left on the hour. Let's see. Let's see what we have. Looking for 1066. I see 68. I kind of like that. We're going to go ahead and buy that position for 10 contracts. And what we can then do is look for 72 possibly. Sometimes I like to get some in the out of the monies as well, just to kind of build up. Let's see, I'm just looking on the NADEX platform just to kind of get a rough idea here. Okay, yeah, I kind of like that a little more. We're going to go ahead and get that one too as this market starts to push it a little bit more down. We're just about to test that negative 1.5 again, so we're going to go ahead and purchase this. Okay, we got in at 35.5. All right, let me just bring that up for you real quick. All right, perfect. So as you can see here, we got in at 1072 and 1068. So this is on the 1 minute chart on NADEX. So as you can see, the 1072 is a little bit out of the money, and then the 1068 is a little bit in the money. So we've kind of created a little bit of a zone here, but what we can see on this is a nice M formation that has that's been created here. Just waiting for the pen tool to open up. Here we go. So as you can see, we've created this nice M formation. So we should see price kind of come up from here. So that's what we should see. We are seeing a little bit of a zone kind of forming here. We've created new lows here, and we are seeing a little bit of divergence here, which is going in our favor. And something else that we can see is if we go into the 15-minute chart, we are extremely oversold. So as you can see right here. So we do have roughly 53 minutes, 52 minutes and some seconds left until this trade does expire. So we've got some time. But and the biggest thing is I think I want to add on some more contracts onto this trade. I'm just trying to see where the price is going. But as you can see here, we are forming some divergence, some major divergence here. So we're just going to kind of see how price is handling this negative 1.5. And we may create new lows here. What I can only assume is going to happen is I can assume that price is going to end up doing one of these numbers, where it's going to create kind of a new low to take out everybody's stops that are right here. And then probably once that happens, that's probably where I'll end up taking my taking more positions up. If we go into the hourly, we can see structure right here, structure right there. So we do have the euro is just dropping today, as you can see. It's done nothing but drop. So go back into the minute. Yep, so we have created new lows, but it's all about, are we going to really start to tank, or are we going to start, maybe taking a little bit lower low and then shoot up from there. We're going to see where NADEX is on price. So this is now going for 25, 24. So I'm kind of liking that. So we're going to go ahead and make this a little less. So we knocked off $5 from that one. And then we can add on to this one as well. Now this one is an out of the money instead of in the money now. So we can probably put 20 contracts onto this one. And we got this at 63, so it's now at 39. So we're going to watch as this candle forms and see what ends up happening with it. Okay. All right, now we got it at 49. All right, perfect. So now what we need to do is get our calculator out, just in the event we get a major spike here. So we have 49. See, spot 16 divided by 2 plus 49. It's about 73.50. So we'll get rid of these at 73.50. And then this one is 15, basically 30 and then 15. 15 is coming from half of this, so the 45. So we'll get out of this one at 45. All right, we're seeing a little bit of a movement upwards here. We're only roughly about $10 in profit on this one. I'm sorry, we're roughly about $1 $1 in profit on this one. Okay, so we're just going to go back and see exactly what's happening here. So it looks like price does not really want to fully break this negative 1.5. We are still, again, oversold. So we should see a movement upwards. What I'd like to see happen, because obviously we have our pending orders as our take profits, but we now need to make a pending order for what happens if price tests a new structure. So the next thing we need to do is probably bring out a nice trend line. And if price comes up and tests that level, we'll probably get out of it. Just because we are, you do want to kind of somewhat follow the trend on something like this. So we're going to go ahead and do that, but we're just going to keep that there. And then we are going to put another one here and create our little bit of a channel here. So price is starting to move up. Let's see where we're at on NADEX. All right, so our positions were 73.50. So we're not quite there, about $10 in profit there, about $8 in profit here. So we are in the money on this one. We are not quite there on the 72. It'll be interesting to see what our prices are if we get back into the 72 as far as our profits here to be able to get out. We want to be able to see this price still kind of go up a little bit more. Let me go ahead and put our expiry time here as well. I'll put our I'll go ahead and put our NADEX prices on here too. Oh, I was in the wrong drawing. We had 68 if I'm not mistaken. And then 72 if I'm not mistaken. We'll double check it. Just going to go ahead and keep them as price lines because we know from the colors what they mean. Okay, all right. So we have our price lines here. We're going to go ahead and edit this because this is the same color. We'll make these orange. Just so everything somewhat stands out on its own. All right, great. All right, the next thing that we probably should do is take a Fibonacci tool and take from the swing high from this to the swing low of here to get a better representation of what's happening here with price. So now what we can do is kind of look and see, okay, so price is around this 23.6 level. So if we can come up and test this 50, which is where our 1072 is at, it'll be interesting to see if we can break through the 38.2 as well. My guess is that we'll come up, do this, and then test around here in this area, and then probably drop back down. That's going to be my guess on this particular trade. So we are taking some more pushes up. We'll see what NADEX is giving us right now. So we're really close to our take profit. Oh no, we're not. We're at 73, not 63. Okay, so we're still moving up, still moving up. We still got 45 minutes left, so it's probably best to, you know, kind of watch this trade and get out of it once we can. We have tested the 38.2. We're kind of failing on it right now. I'm not really liking that, so we might go ahead and just get out of this trade with the profit we have and just take some quick profits. So we're going to just kind of watch this trade live on this video and just kind of get an idea of what's really happening. We're just going to keep flipping back and forth because, you know, NADEX sometimes. Oh, well, we got filled on one of the orders. We got filled on our 72 order, so that's good. So we're filled fully on that one. We've got our last one, which is at 73.50. We're at 70, 70.5. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. 73.5 is what we're looking for. Where are we on the chart? So we're getting close to that. Okay, we can go ahead and delete that. Seems like we're failing on that price. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to get ready to just get the profit that at market price. See, we're at 70. We're getting close. We're getting close. We're still way above. Now see, as you can see, we're, you know, this is the price that we're holding on to, is this one right here. So, well, that was a little hard to see, but this black one right here. So that's what we're holding on to. So we're in the money right now. So we can kind of, you know, just kind of watch this thing and hope that we get our filled on our 73 order, 73.50 order. Looks like we're failing. I'm going to go ahead and probably just go ahead and close this out. See what's happening here. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and close it for 64.25. All right, perfect. So we'll go ahead and take in this order and just go ahead and delete it. All right, great. All right, perfect. So these were really, really quick, easy trades. Let me go ahead and pause the video, and we're going to calculate what we made here. All right, so through some calculations after our fees, we made about $600 on this trade here, and then we made about 750 around that area for our in the money trade that we took around here at the 1072. So this was basically just trading off of these deviation levels that we do offer with Thriving Bull. We are launching November 7th. So I'm sure a lot of you have been emailing us and asking us about, you know, getting access to the website and all sorts of stuff. Well, the website is not fully live yet. So because of that, you can somewhat navigate, but you can't purchase anything. You're not able to view certain things. So on November 7th, we just wanted to kind of open up the site a little bit just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a play. And then you guys can have full, complete access of the website once the website is live on November 7th. So we are extremely excited. We're going to be offering we will be offering live signals as well. So if we go into the NADEX platform, we can go here into our accounts page. This is where our live signals are that you'll be getting every single day, and then we can see the results here from the day. We've had, let's see, three trades here today, and all three of them have won. They were really, really early in the morning. We have our auto trade, we have our deviation levels, we have SMS, all of these great things. So this is going to be through our full access package that you can have, or you can get the deviation level separate, or you can get the live signal separate. But we're very, very excited. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. And please visit our website at www.thrivingbull.com to sign up for the pre-beta launch.